The starting point of all achievement is desire. Napoleon Hill. Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss an idiom, a pound of flesh. A pound of flesh. What does it mean? See, this idiom is nothing to do with the actual flesh of a person. This expression is about getting what is owed to you. Something that you have the right to receive but is unreasonable to demand from someone. It is said to be a pound of flesh. Of course, in life, it's fair that you get what is rightly yours. However, if you do so without consideration or care for how it may affect the other person, regardless of the consequences, you could be described as getting a pound of flesh. If you say that someone demands their pound of flesh, you mean that they insist on getting something they are entitled to, even though it may cause distress to the person it is demanded from. How can you use this idiom, a pound of flesh, in your sentence? Look at this example sentence. They signed an agreement and the opposite party now want their pound of flesh. They signed an agreement and now the opposite party, without consideration or care for how it affects the other person, demanded their share. And example number 2, he wants to take revenge. He won't be satisfied until he takes his pound of flesh. In this class, we have discussed the idiom, a pound of flesh, its meaning and usage. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.